Welcome to How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about this BeatXP Bluetooth earphones, that how you can easily connect these into your laptop or computer. You are listening very right. You can connect these into your laptop or computer and enjoy the music or the working or anything you are doing into your laptop or computer. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to take this magnetic case and we have to take these Bluetooth earphones out and we have to put them on our ears. Now if it's already connected to any device, just disconnect that. Yes. And after that we have this laptop with us, this one, as you can check out, this one. Now what we have to do, we have to, that was the thumbnail. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the start button, type Bluetooth, as you can check out Bluetooth, and go to the Bluetooth settings option. You can go from over here to, you will find the Bluetooth indicator over here if Bluetooth is available into your laptop or computer. Now we have to click on this add device option. When we click on this add device option, we will see many features like this, which you want to choose this first one. And now voila, your BeatXP vibe is over there. Click on that and it's connected now, and it's saying in my earphone too that it's connected. Now whatever we will play on this laptop or computer, we will hear that on our earphones via the Bluetooth. So that's the process how you can easily connect this Bluetooth earphones with your laptop or computer. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.